celebrate the World Health Day today, the 7th of April 2022. We bring you warm greetings from the Ministry of Health, her agencies, and our partners in Edo State, Nigeria. The theme chosen by the World Health Organization for today's celebration is apt. It is our planet, our health. This year's theme brings to light the vast degradation that has happened to our planet. Almost 1 million people die prematurely every year as a result of avoidable risks in their environments. Malaria causes disease and deaths, running into several hundreds of thousands in our country. Our children are mostly affected because our environment encourages the breeding of mosquitoes. Open defecation, water shortages, poor personal and food hygiene result in disease outbreaks such as cholera. Poor waste management and some of our agricultural practices, such as bush burning, bring rats into our living spaces, and we are currently in the throes of an outbreak of Lassa fever. The pollution of our rivers by domestic and industrial activities result in both acute and chronic diseases. We forcefully ripen our fruits using harmful chemicals which cause untold damage to our health. We engage in activities that continually thin out the ozone layer and increasingly expose us to the harmful effects of the sun. The list is unending. Today's celebration of the World Health Day is a call to all of us to unite and stop and reverse the degradation of our world. This is the only world that we have. It is the only world we can ever have. And how we treat our world, how we behave in our world, affects our health and our well-being. On behalf of the government of Edo State, we wish to reaffirm our commitment to providing quality health care to residents in the state in an environment that promotes health and overall well-being. We have activities lined up to celebrate the World Health Day beyond today. And I will invite the Director General of the Edo State Health Insurance Scheme, Dr. Rock Amego, to speak. After him, our partner, a representative of our partner, the South-South coordinator of the World Health Organization, Mrs. Ojugo, will also speak. Thank you very much.
Commissioner and every other person present here. Today, the 7th of April 2022, we celebrate the World Health Day. Our theme for this day's celebration is our planet and our health. As a government, we are responsible people, and so we understand and see what has been happening as a result of carbon footprint. These carbon footprints are human-made, from burning of our fossils and even the way we procure things that we do not need, and even the food we eat. Upon this, based on the precedent that the Honorable Commissioner has discussed, the Edo State Government and the NG Room, which is the various ministries, directorates, and agencies, have planned to roll out a cleaning up exercise that will start from this Saturday, running through all through the month of April, where every agency, parastatal, and directorate will come out in numbers to engage those residents in our state and tell them how to participate in their lives and cleaning up their environment. As we see, because of increase in temperature, mosquitoes and malaria have increased, diarrhea disease have increased, and people are dying in numbers. Most of these adverse effects from climate change can be reversed by our actions. And some of these actions are what we are going now to tell our people from this Saturday, all through every Saturday in the month of April and the year 2022. We hope that this action moving forward will sensitize people and bring awareness on how to improve their health outcome and be responsible for their personal hygiene, and to minimize waste and reduce carbon emissions that we have in society. We want to encourage and call out our residents in Edo State to please partner with us, and also to tell them that they should be ready when we come to their doorstep, that we are going to engage in this fruitful exercise in a way that, so that if we do it very well, it can culminate in bringing back our environmental sanitation that we have been doing for the past 2 or 3 decades. This environmental sanitation, we know what we did in the past, how we're planting trees to bring about clean air. The COVID-19 that we experienced sometime in the past revealed all the deficiencies in our environment. One of such is our environment that has been laced with a lot of dirt, plastics littering all around in our communities. Upon this, we will call on the Director of Public Health to give us insight on how we're going to go around these mapped areas from the various agencies and directorates, so that this process will culminate in community participation and individual engagement on their health and moving forward. With that, I want to say thank you and call on the Director of Public Health.
So, Stevenson Ojefo, after him, our partner, Mrs. Ojugo, will speak.
Edo State and the PSA present, partners, our colleagues, I welcome you to the World Health Day celebration, which theme is our planet, our health. The Edo State Ministry of Health, in collaboration with other agencies and partners, have lined out activities that will occupy all the regions of Edo State to promote a healthy living environment. One of those activities outlined is environmental sanitation across the Benin metropolis and all the 80 local governments in Edo State. Following that directives from the Ministry of Health, the local government head of local government administrations, the primary healthcare department across the 80 local governments, the Department of Environment have been contacted to roll out all the exercise that will be on to the end of April. We're going to start with example. In line with that, starting from this next Saturday, we are going to involve all the agencies, the Edo State Primary Healthcare Development Agency, the Hospital Management Agency, the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Environment, the Waste Management Board, and all other partners to join hands with us. And we are going out there in areas we have mapped out to carry out environmental sanitation. We hope to commence this from 7 a.m. that will run through 8-9 a.m. in the morning. And we're going to continue this exercise every other Saturday till the end of the month of April. We want to appeal to indigenes of Edo State to join hands with the plan of Edo State government in making sure we bring back our glory as regards cleanliness of our environment. I want to congratulate the World Health Organization for bringing out such innovation in promoting the health of our population. Thank you and God bless you.
As we all know, we are celebrating the World Health Day today. 7th of April is usually celebrated every year globally to commemorate the anniversary of the founding of World Health Organization, which was done in 1948 during the first World Health Assembly. The celebration draws attention to specific health topic every year, and this year's theme is our planet, our Earth. Considering the theme of the year, we should all be imagining a world where clean air, water, and food are available for everyone, for the well-being of the people. Making cities livable and people having control over their own health and the health of the planet. A polluted planet, increases diseases such as asthma, heart diseases, and of course, we all know that WHO estimates over 13 million deaths across the world every year, and which is caused by avoidable environmental causes, from unsafe water, air pollution, unhealthy food, over-processed foods, and beverages. We, as partners, we urge the government and the public to share stories of steps they are taking to protect the planet and their health and prioritize the well-being of the people. The Honorable Commissioner and the Director General, Edo State Health Insurance Commission, and the Director of Public Health, Ministry of Health, have said a lot. They have already told us the beautiful cleaning exercise the Honorable Commissioner has planned, and we as partners, we are fully in collaboration with the state and will be fully on ground to support as usual. So, on behalf of all the partners, the UNICEF and the African CDC, we are fully on ground, and as usual, we have been supporting the state. We will follow up with the exercise. Thank you.
All health organizations, we have the honor of decorating you with this our badge. Thank you for all you've been doing. We're proud of you, and we also solicit for more support as we mark this day. We want these activities to continue, not just in the environmental aspect, in every area that we can get rid of Lassa. That Edo is endemic for Lassa is not a good story. Thank God we don't have cholera, but we're still fighting with Lassa. We're still trying to combat the vaccine mutant polio virus. We are fighting measles, and we don't know what's going to come next. So we need to put our hands together and continue to work together and ensure we have a very healthy Edo State. Having this great team, we are proud to be part of you, and like my state coordinator said, we will always support. Thank you for all you do. Thank you, everyone. And we are partnering with the government and people of Edo State to say that we will improve our environment, and in so doing, improve our health. So we'll take it together. Improve our environment, improve our health. One more